Proven email marketing tips and tricks for the average person. Creating a successful marketing campaign using emails can be challenging. There are several things you can do to help ensure your next campaign is a success. This video contains many ideas designed to help you improve the quality of your email marketing. Use these suggestions to make an effective marketing tool. Slowly build your contact list. Start with those who have already appreciated what you offer and then move on to areas where you can engage your prospects. It can take a while to pick whom should be receiving your emails, but it'll be worth it in the end to build a reliable contact list. If you have a client who has a birthday, make sure that you send a follow-up email that includes a happy birthday message on it. Include a request on the email that tells this person to go to a particular place. The ending can include a link that tells him or her that it is possible to become a subscriber by clicking on it. Try to only send one email a week. It is likely that your customers receive many marketing and other messages each day. If your emails arrive more than once weekly, subscribers are more likely to trash them without ever watching the content that you put so much time into. An email marketing campaign needs a design and testing phase, just like anything else. Plan on putting in time making sure that your messages get past all techniques used for fighting spam, from content filters to image blocking and JavaScript suppression. You can send out 1 million messages blindly and not ever know if they are even seen. Do what you can to make your email go into your customers' inboxes. You must work to get your email to pass ISPs and not get tagged as spam messages. If they get tagged as spam messages, your recipient may never see them. Check with customers to see if they are getting your emails, or if they're no longer interested. Make sure your emails are consistent with any branding you have done. You should be including your company colors, logos, and anything else unique to your business in your emails. Customers should be able to recognize your emails when they arrive in their inboxes so that they are not automatically deleted. The tips you have just read will help you create useful and relevant marketing emails. Instead of being overwhelmed, be proactive and create content that will effectively reach your audience. Your business and your customers deserve the best. Let that message shine through in your emails, and watch your business increase. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.